So, alat is...
Beng, nalaki isa ni kunik wifi, Beng. Isa ka kunik ni Beng.
Ha?
Isa na ka kunik ni.
Ambot.
The best. Customer card. Gcash.
Chip.
Arigato, Gcash.
Monkey.
Wala ko di ko ano ni ma.
Used to
Mango shake.
pig.
Cute.
Awa ko kakuan din hasulay so pas.
I have an idea. E-Gcash mo ko For my crazy summer, Gcash is the best way to pay.
Bigla oh.
We're gonna be busting
New work.
200 bets
Chiller.
at $50. Ever since the last
I hate your working sa life new work.
Hala!
Natin. Hala! I eat blood.
Myth busted. There's another water myth that if you train underwater, you get stronger.
Mona
You
Lisa.
can't water balloon with fire. That was way too fast.
I going to a girls with a club.
Actually indestructible. We have a hammer and a gun just in case.
Kita na. Tap, tap, tap.
Oh my god. That's definitely indestructible. You have to
Cool.
make sure. Alright, so we just took all of
Black.
that earwax and turned it into a candle. Now let's see if it lights up. Eating food on a roller coaster will make you throw up.
Something to not the style.
One of the most common myths is the Earth.
Yes.
Well, we have this drone right here, and we're gonna fly to the stratosphere and find out. Oh, that's cool.
The style.
Well, that's myth busted. You guys saw how round that was. I've been here for an hour.
The style is this. Pow, 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 pow.
Let's not drag this out to be a 10-minute long video. I'm gonna show you guys and all the other YouTubers how it's done. Try it one more time. That was like 50%. I'm pretty sure that makes this myth busted. There's a myth that's made to instantly cure spikes. So we're all gonna be eating really hot wings. Tanner's gonna drink tomato juice. I'm gonna drink milk. And we're gonna see which one cures spikes.